Ever seen the word triglycerides in your lab results but don't know what they mean? Today we'll talk about what they are and what they do to your body. Let's get into it.
You deserve to be happy and healthy.
Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. This channel is for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. So if you're looking to do just that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch all the way to the end for bonus tips. Let's get into triglycerides.
So again, not all fat is bad. It depends on the amount and the type, okay? I just want to make sure y'all get that. But with triglycerides, our bodies make it from excess calories, and excess I mean by the amount of food that we eat that we don't use for energy. So that gets stored as triglycerides in the body, usually found around the belly, okay? So let's pretend this paper towel is a triglyceride. It also adds to the narrowing of the blood vessel wall. So let me go ahead and finagle this for you. All right, now it's nice and finagled. So as you can tell, the opening is smaller as well. And now the blood vessel is not as flexible. There's some hardening going on. And that is a symptom of heart disease as well, okay? So what's important to keep in mind with heart disease is the diameter of the blood vessel and the flexibility. For normal triglyceride levels, we're looking at less than 150 milligrams per deciliter. And some of the sources come from high calorie foods like potato chips, beers, alcohols, baked goods, this lovely burger and fries again coming up if there's any kind of barbecue. I think you guys get the idea.
That wraps up our video on triglycerides. So if you're curious about LDL, HDL, sodium, and blood pressure, make sure to hit up my playlist, Healthy Heart Numbers, okay? So I put the link in the end for y'all to check out, but let me know if you have any questions or comments and put them down below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. See y'all next week, and remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.